What are some tips to maintain and improve manual OSINT skills while also keeping up with this trend in the field? Do you think manual skills will lose value over time, or will there always be the use for it?
Without shadow of a doubt, there will always be a requirement for manual OSINT skills. We talk about this concept of critical thinking. AI is a very powerful technology if used in the right way, but it is also a technology that can be wrong at times. Having the ability to understand how data is captured, be able to identify and isolate is it credible? Is it a real source? Has it come from somebody that is a known actor that spreads misinformation? Is it an echo chamber? All those things, all that kind of critical thinking that goes with it is very important. And those skills will never be lost and should never be lost. Using the two tools together is where you win, to David's point. But just using one or the other, that's where you can always benefit from taking a balanced approach.
I would add that don't forget that there's a human behind the keyboard here, and that there's still, back to the last question on how do you extract some of the dark web stuff. We reuse the same aliases, the same passwords, which a lot of times can be found and accessed through breach data, depending on where you work in either law enforcement or the intelligence community. We've found tons of bad folks that just reuse the same password. We'll take a username, search it against breach data. They're using the same password for an entire other personas that you wouldn't be able to find otherwise. So just you have to remember that there's still a human, and we're still prone to the same habits and eccentricities as humans.